Hi guys, for today's video it's gonna be what's on my Eloise Satchel from Angela Roy. Hold on, let me just make, okay, there you go, it's focused. So this bag, I've been wearing this if I go running errands and also brunch with friends. So I have been loving this one, like the Eloise Satchel. I've been loving this one because it's fit quite a lot of stuff in here. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me because I post some OOTDs there sometimes on Instagram. So I'm gonna put my Instagram here. If you haven't followed me, please follow me. And also subscribe to my channel if you're here already, might as well. So yeah, today I'm gonna do a what fits inside this bag, because some of you guys DM me, like you DM my picture because you guys saw that I was using this bag. It's just like you should do like what's inside the Angela Roy. So I'm like, you know what, might as well. So all right, so I got the black one. They do have the brown one and they have a couple of colors. I was gonna get the brown looking ones, but I feel like I'm gonna get the Grace shoulder, like a crossbody bag that like look like it's very like squarey bag, but I think I'm just gonna get that instead of another one like these, because I mean I already have the black one. Might as well get another different type of bag instead of having the same bag or like in different colors. It just doesn't make sense. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what can fit inside here. I do have a couple stuff here because I used this the other day. So anyways, let me just take this out. Keys here. I have my power bank. So if you haven't watched my unboxing, I'm gonna leave the link somewhere in the screen or in the description box below if you wanna watch the unboxing of this bag. But yeah, it comes with an extra strap, so you can use it like a shoulder crossbody bag, but I've been using it just as a regular shoulder bag, like this regular shoulder bag. And I have like pictures using this bag. I'll pop out here and here. So yeah, anyways, let's just start. So what I've been using this is like I said, if I go out brunch with like friends or my husband, I kind of reach out for this bag. So anyways, it has two compartments and a little slit here, and there's a zipper in the back here that I put like receipts or extra coins. So what I do is like I bring some of my perfume the day, you know, if I'm feeling, this one is more likely like my everyday scent. This is the YSL perfume, so I put this YSL in the front right there. I put that on the front, and I have here my power bank. I gotta have my power bank, and I also slid it here in the first row. And then I have this alcohol, rubbing alcohol, because you gotta have it, hand sanitizer or alcohol everywhere you go. And then I have my hand lotion from Chanel. Just pop this right here. And then my keys, my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I have to have my mace here. I have my key here and my house key. And this is my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I've been using the monogram lately. So what I'm gonna do is I put it in the first slit right here. Right here. Let me just slide this in. Yeah, so I normally put that here on the first row. And then I have my charger, Apple charger. And what I do is like kind of make it like this and have my extra hair tie. But I do use some scrunchie. So this is my Apple charger, put it here. And I also have, of course, masks. You gotta have masks everywhere you go. So I got this mask from Target. If you haven't watched the Target haul, make sure to watch. I'll leave it in the screen somewhere. So I got the 2-piece for $4. Yeah, so I got the black one. I'm gonna put it in front, which is it's easier for me to use. Plus I'm going out, and then might as well just use this bag. And then I have here my blue light glasses and my regular glasses. So I tend to use this when I'm also trying to use my phone, because I get so many migraines and I have to have glasses, you guys, because I can't see. So when I'm driving I use this, and then when I'm just, you know, around in the house I use this blue light glasses. I got this from Amazon, if you guys are wondering. They're like blue light glasses. So I'll put it somewhere in the first row right there. Then have some napkins, put it in the third row. So I also carry this CPR face shield just in case if something happened, emergency happened. So I put this on my bag as well. And then my scrunchie. Here I got my scrunchie. And what else? So my phone. Where's my phone? And also my phone. So see, that fits like a lot of mostly my everyday essentials. So I'll just pop this in and voila. So this is actually what it looks like, you guys, and it's not that heavy. And if I'm going out and then if I'm wearing like a lipstick or anything, I'll just bring like what kind of lipstick that I'm using. For example, today I'm using the Patrick Ta lipstick, and I'll just pop this right in here, and I still have like a lot of space. You guys can see I still have a lot of space. This is very spacious bag. It's shocking, it looks small, but it's very spacious and you can put more inside. So yeah, I like to wear this as a shoulder bag, like shoulder bag like that. It's much, I don't know, I like it that way. So yeah, that is it for this what's inside my Eloise Satchel, guys. If you want me to do more of this type of videos, let me know, and also comment down what type of videos do you guys want to see on my channel. So if you haven't joined my $100 giveaway, please join, so you will win $100. So it's been still going on right now. Once I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram and 2,000 subscribers from my YouTube, then I'll go ahead and choose the lucky winner, $100 lucky winner. So it's based international, no matter you're in the Philippines, United States, Canada. I'm still gonna send you $100 US, like $100 US. You don't have to pay for anything. So yes, if you haven't watched my giveaway video, I'm also gonna leave it in the description box below or somewhere in the screen. And if you guys are interested on this bag, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below. So yeah, this is the name of this one is Eloise Satchel, and they have different types of bag as well. And if you guys are interested in this one, like I said, the name is Eloise Satchel, and it also comes with different colors. So just click the link on my description box and start shopping if you want. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.